Welcome back to our farm once again. Me and my Unyu, we came back after quite a while. Today our video is about how we harvest and also how we replaced and transfer ginger from one field to another field. So today is really hot. It's really sunny, so we got some pomelo from our fields, from our orange orchard. So we will eat this and start our activities.
Mày à? Mà sao mềm cái hạt đó? Chừng đẹp quá hả?
So this kitty, we have this kitty is this is one of my favorites kitty because this is the oldest plantations kitty that we have. So initially it was a chum kitty. It since 2001 bara amikan itu kheti to kurigena ahi ase. So my parents, they had long term planning that this kheti will convert it into an orange orchard. So we have lots of orange, and then along with orange and the patties, my parents, they had also planted ginger. So this ginger, it may look like an ordinary ginger, but this is the oldest ginger that we have because this seeds, itu ginger laka seeds, to it had planted in 2001. So when we count it, it's like 20 plus years. So what my parents, they do is they like how we do it now. Every year regularly they take out the larger portion and then replaced the small portion there for the next year. So as you can see, this is like 20 plus years laka khedi ase. They will be itu adu logo, then the small portion do replace it, then it will we will reuse in next year. And then the good thing, the special thing about this khedi is because just above this khedi, it's like it's a huge cleft ase, rangkang ase. So that rangkang laga nijite itu khedi do ase. So all that like rangkang laga the manure do that they khedi de ahi jai itu karne, like we have never ending manure in our khedi. Not just that, but we also like have planted jackfruit laka gas khan bishi ase. So all the fallen leaves became converted into a manure itu karne iman sal 20 plus years a ginger bi thaki ase na itu ase. So I hope because our Naga people, we the Nagas, we have like nijor la kheti to, we have our own land, and then we are the owner of our own land ase itu karne. If you see this video, then apni khan bi nijor la kheti bara, maybe you might not do it amia nishna dangor kheti itu to na kuro pare, but in whichever ways or whatever you can chutu hulibi lakai gana, it can suffice our family. Also if we have like enough, then we can also sell it to the market or like local market dibi amian dibole pare na inaga ase. So itu kheti to not just ginger ekla nohoy aro orange ekla nohoy holibi date amian palm tree khan bi lagai gena ase. So when we have like construction khan thake atemte amian palm leaves khan bi julai thake tati barhena nijor la family la use karne. And then me and my unyu, we after collecting the ginger, we are cleaning the roots. So this ginger though, it's different variety ase. This is the small one, the smallest one, which is all of itu laga smell bi kara ase, itu to strong ase tai laga smell bi aro. This is called local ginger. So we have like in our integrated farming, we some portion that we planted nadia, and then some portion we have left out for this local ginger, because the market demand, or sometimes the demand for nadia, sometimes the demand for this local ginger. So we are keeping it as in whenever they demand the bigger one nadia, then we will so we will be balancing the demand as per the demand of the market. And then as I've also mentioned, this is not just a ginger farm, but in orange orchard as well. So as you can see, that just beneath this orange of trees, all these lands are filled with ginger. So the next day, the next time, we will be harvesting ginger. All this itu kheti mati dikhi ase na, all this land are covered with ginger. So that the philosophy, the ideology behind my mom is, she believes in balancing work. So she does not want to keep the land unused. So my mom, like over this 20 plus years, she had planted ginger, and then as you have seen just now, she will remove the larger portion and replace it for the next year. So all these are kibase ginger. So the fallen leaves of this orange became manure to ginger, and then vice versa, ginger lakado aro orange kane manure ho jai na kana. And we have this I don't know how we call in English, but we all I know is this is a Japanese ginger. So this is really tasty, especially with the smoked pork. So me and my mom, we took this because amikhan subject habale ase. Then this is, it grew up naturally, but then we have preserved it so that we will harvest every year. So we don't need to go to jungle, spend our time, get wasted our energy. So we have this we have many blends here. Ase to achitu itu lo ase aro itu sob manu especially the Nagas, itu to different cuisine logade, different curry logade itu to July thake. So I really like it. Hope amiala viewers can be kushi payola korna bi ekta belief bi kore ase. So the orange aru itu orange lagado next time mo video banawo, because itu to a bare hand para itu sapa kore ase de. We don't use any chemical in our orange. So 2-3 times to movie Dimapur de lui jaishe just to introduce our organic, because amikhan nakakhan to bishi do bahar laga saman khai thake etu karne orange mo introduce kurishe. And that day to iman korum thakishe, we were really hungry, so we stopped by this mulberry tree which planted just nearby roadside there. So thanks to the owner for mudujun de imam bhal khawle parya karne. Then this is how we blend ginger amian ina blend korea says. I don't know how the other parts of the world do it, but we just this is our way of blending organically the ginger. So they are, as you can see closely, they are planting really close by. So like in few portion of land they were that tailaka bichanti mam bishi jaya sina itu karone ase. Then as you can also see the maize, the makai ase. So my village, we are known for magai. So itu makai do lakai. As we have planted lots, but only few remains, because we have like 40 plus I'm sorry, 40 plus chicken ase. So free range, so bishi khai dishe to imani bajishe. And in my, I think it was in my second or first video that I have shown in my video that this portion of land will be planting ginger. So this is the whole land that we have planted. So we have covered up planting ginger, and this is this kheti is just more or less like a permaculture, because we have ginger, we have cassava, we have this yam that new yam here we can see. Then we have you name it, anything, everything that we get in village, we have planted everything here. So we have this pumpkin, we have this cucumber, then we have maize, and you name it, everything we have it. So as you can see, this cucumber, they looks really healthy. Hope they comes out good, it comes out good, and then we eat well, give us good cucumber in summer. Then, as I've also just mentioned, the maize, we have planted it every year because my village, we are known for this magai, because the magai, the maize that we get in our village is really tasty. It's the texture is sticky as a, then the size to chutu size as a we, like you keep it for a days, for like 7-8 days, the days never goes off. Itu to ini kaya siya bishi bala siya ito karne we planted lots of maize, but because of this free range changer, no, I'm sorry, free range chicken, everything though it goes off na in the year. So this is the whole land. I hope I have covered up all the portion that we have planted ginger, but then I could not cover it up everything, but I hope in next video I'll cover it up. So these are the portion that we have planted ginger. So I hope this ginger plantation would help our video viewers, and we'll also do it in the same manner. So these are the things that I have mentioned. So thank you so much for watching.